Hello my dear YouTubers, welcome to this channel. I'm Natalia, your insider and travel guide from Belarus. This video will be about accommodation services in our country, in Belarus. We will talk about this topic. But before we start, don't forget to hit the button like, to subscribe to my channel, not to lose my videos, which will be probably helpful for you in the future, and it will help me as well to make my channel more visible. Thanks to you a lot. Let's start. Those of you who follow the news about Belarus, you already know that there is no more such accommodation services as Airbnb and Booking.com, right? And not so many people are coming to Belarus, but nevertheless, some people come, some of them need to find hotels, apartments, and so on. So I've prepared for you few links of local services, of local platforms, where you can find a hotel or apartments in Minsk and other regional cities. First, I would like to start from such a platform as hotel.by. Using this service, you can find any hotel in different cities of Belarus: Minsk, Grodno, Brest, Gomel, Vitebsk, and the others. You can choose even the language English and pay through this service. So I recommend you to check out this hotel.by. The second, if you are searching for apartments in Minsk, I recommend you to check out this website, aparton.by. Here on this service, aparton.by, you can find a variety of apartments in Minsk, and you can contact the landlords directly. If you need any help, or there is an English speaking support manager, and you can check it out as well. So if we talk about apartments in different regional cities in Belarus, I recommend you to find this website, flatbook.by. There you can find a variety of different apartments in different cities, as well as you can find renting a cottage. So if there is a big company coming to Minsk or traveling in Belarus, you can use this service. I checked the prices, they are quite reasonable over there. Leaving the link below this video for you. If you plan to go to Brest and you are looking for good apartments in Brest, I have a link for you from this city, and will leave you right now. Check it out. If you need my help to assist you to find any apartments in other cities, just let me know. If you are coming to Grodno, maybe you will come from the side of Lithuania or Poland and you need to stay in this beautiful city, here I will leave the link for you. Also the local service kvartiranasutki.by, where you can also find good options in different places, in different areas of Grodno, and you can contact landlords directly. So if we talk about payments in these services, I think they differ from website to another website. Maybe in some places you will have to pay upon arrival. There is no need to pay in advance. And let me know if you are looking for something in particular and you cannot find it. You can contact me, send in a private message, and I will be glad to help you. Also, I have some friends who are landlords and giving their flats for rent in Minsk, Brest and Grodno, so I can advise you something if you plan to come to Belarus. So guys, I hope that this video will be helpful and useful for you in the future. If yes, drop me, I don't know, something, a sign that you use these services and that my video is helpful to you. If you want to support my channel, you can use the links below this video and you can buy me a cup of coffee. I will be grateful to you. And this help really matters to me. So thanks a lot for your attention and see you in my new videos. Bye guys. Stay safe.